In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a clean professional portfolio website using CodeDesign AI. No design experience or tech skills needed. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're a freelancer just getting started, maybe you're a graphic designer, photographer, copywriter, or developer, your website is often the first impression potential clients get of you. And with tools like CodeDesign, you can build something that looks legit in under an hour, even if you've never touched a website builder before. Let's dive in and I'll show you step by step how to do this. So first off, what is CodeDesign AI? CodeDesign is a website builder that uses artificial intelligence to help you create beautiful, functional websites with little to no effort. It's specifically designed for people who don't have time to learn code or spend hours tweaking layouts. You just answer a few questions about what you need and it builds the layout, writes your content, and even recommends the visuals, all in minutes. It's perfect for freelancers, creators, or small business owners who want a professional looking site without the usual tech headache. And today we're going to use it to build a full portfolio site, one that showcases your work, tells your story, and gets you hired. Before we jump into the build section, let's go ahead and talk about some of the key features that make CodeDesign really stand out. So first, it's AI powered, which means it generates layouts, sections, and even website copy for you. You don't have to write a single word from scratch if you don't want to. Second, it has built-in customization tools. So once your site is generated, you can go in and adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and layouts so it really feels aligned with you and your personal brand. It also includes mobile optimization out of the box, so your site will automatically look good on any screen, which is really important these days, but especially if you're sending links to potential clients who are checking everything from their phones, as most people do these days. And finally, it supports SEO settings and fast hosting, so your site loads quickly and can show up in search results. All of this is packed into one beginner-friendly platform, and that's why we're using it today for this walkthrough. If you want to check out CodeDesign AI and follow along with this step-by-step walkthrough, I've left our link down in the description below. So after you click that link, you can go ahead and just type in exactly what you want right here and generate website, or you can go ahead and sign up right here, whatever you want to do. So once you are in, this is what the dashboard looks like. I have created a few just examples, but we can delete this. But now let's go ahead and make a new project. So you can build using AI, you can use a smart template, or you can start from scratch or build a funnel using AI. We're going to go ahead and use AI. So let's go ahead and do a business website. So let's go with a photographer. I just typed in a modern photography portfolio website for a professional photographer specializing in wedding portraits and lifestyle shoots. This site should feature a clean, minimalistic design with large, high-quality image galleries, an about section sharing the photographer's story and style, a service page with pricing and booking, and a contact form for inquiries. The tone should be warm, creative, and professional, appealing to clients who value timeless, artistic photography. We'll go ahead and create custom site, and we let it do its thing. Wow, that was so fast. That took about 30 seconds, and it has created a whole site for us. It even has the copy, images in there. Obviously, you'll want to switch them out for your own, but it has the home, the service, the about, the FAQs. And if you want to change the theme, you can totally do that as well. So again, you want to make it work for you and your brand vibe and aesthetic. So now you can come in here and edit everything. So let's just say you want to edit this portion. What you can do is edit it yourself, or you can use AI magic is what they call it. So it can improve the writing, make text shorter, make text longer, simplify the language. You can even add a custom prompt right here. You can of course edit the buttons, okay, the image, of course. If we want to see what it looks like on a tablet or a mobile view, we can do that too. So if we wanted to go ahead and use the smart template, we're going to use a wedding planner as an example. Go ahead and select that, click continue, just a short little description. Now we'll just let it do its thing. Okay, that literally took 30 seconds and we have a full website ready to rock. So as you can see, it added the title, it added a couple of different things that we offer. It's got a gallery here. Yeah, it's got even space for testimonials. Obviously, you want to make it work for your exact, portfolio, right? Yeah, make it fit your vibe, but also using a template that you already like. Or you can start from scratch, but after using it for a while, I do notice that the templates seem to be a little more dynamic, which I personally like in a website, but you can go ahead and change the colors. Ooh, I kind of like that one. And then you can see what it looks like on iPad as well as the phone. This looks really good. In my personal opinion, there's a lot of of websites that automatically turn it into a phone view honestly don't look that good, but I feel like this looks really good. And of course, again, you can regenerate it if you would like. You also can go ahead and edit, same as when we started from scratch from AI. And now again, with the template, you can edit everything just the same. Again, after trying it a bunch of times, I definitely prefer starting with the template and then customizing that. But of course, you can AI magic this. You can improve the writing, make text shorter, longer, etc. You obviously want to add in your portfolio pictures and everything like that. You want to just have client testimonials, of course. So I just wanted to show you how quickly we just made 2 separate websites in under 10 minutes, right? So simple. And again, it even adds in your own copy, etc. And then all you have to do is click publish after that. So you'll add your domain, of course, and your hosting, and then you click publish and you're good to go. Lastly, I just wanted to talk about some of the pros and cons and if it's a good fit for you versus if it's not. Starting off with the pros, it's just really fast. You can go from nothing to a live website in under an hour. The AI content saves time and gives you a starting point, especially if you hate writing about yourself. The editor is very simple but flexible enough to make it look like your site. It again also works great on mobile, like really well compared to anything I've ever seen, and is SEO ready even without extra plugins. Now for the cons. So if you want more advanced layouts or animations, this could feel a bit limited, but I will say again, start with the actual templates. You're going to get way more advanced animations and layouts when you do that than just starting from the AI from scratch. The AI generated copy is a really good starting point, but of course you'll still want to tweak it so it feels more natural and like your voice. And also another con is there's no built-in blog yet. So if content marketing is your thing, you'll need to embed or link to an external blog platform. Now, I just want to quickly show you what the plans and pricing options are. So they have a couple different options here, and they do have a 7-day money back guaranteed, which is also great. If you're not loving it, you can always try it out. But I was even showing you the free plan. So you can go ahead and just give it a little trial run if you use our link down below. So I'm going to share the yearly rate because that's how you're going to get the best price possible. So they've got the portfolio plan, which is $7 per month per site. But again, it's billed yearly. You get 1 portfolio site, unlimited pages, 100 contacts, 1,000 visitors a month, payment integration, regular support, and limited AI credits. Next is the individual plan, and you can save 70% off, which is just $12 per month per site. And again, that's billed yearly. You get pretty much everything that's in the portfolio plan, but it's 1 website and funnel. Again, unlimited pages, you get more contacts, more visitors per month, payment integration, and regular support. And then is the growth plan, which is $24 per month billed yearly. Right now with that 66% off, you get everything in the individual plan, but everything increases, right? So you still get that 1 website, but you get 5 collaborators, 10,000 contacts, 300,000 visitors a month, version history, payment integration, premium support, and 1 year free domain with annual billing. And then lastly is the agency plan, and this is $83 per month billed yearly. And that's with that 80% off. With this, you get 100 websites, 100 funnels, 10 collaborators, unlimited pages, 100,000 contacts, version history, payment integration, and 24/7 support. So again, they do have a plan that fits your needs, and it's really cool that they do have a 7-day money back guaranteed. If you're not absolutely in love with it, by the end of the 7 days, you can get your money back. Again, if you want to check out all of the plans more in detail and get started for free, use our link down below. I do want to note that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support because it just really helps us continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. So is CodeDesign for you? If you're a freelancer who wants to get your work online fast without getting stuck in perfectionism, WordPress headaches, or coding rabbit holes, yes, it's absolutely worth it. CodeDesign AI gives you everything you need to create a clean, modern portfolio that looks legit without hiring a designer or learning a single line of code. And honestly, the faster you launch your site, the faster you can start landing clients. I know how intimidating it can feel to build your first website. You want to look professional, feel like you, and help you get real clients, not just sit there collecting dust. But the truth is, you don't need to have it all figured out. Just start with what you have today and build from there. That wraps up this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is all about helping you create smart, simple websites, even if you're starting from zero. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.